Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you guys stopped by today because as you know from the title, this is my weekend festival palette 3 looks 1 palette video, and I'm super excited to play around with this and kind of show you guys the looks I came up with over the course of a few days. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is definitely one of those looks and you are going to see it. So if you want to see all of the looks that I came up with, continue watching. Thank you. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started with the shade Electric here. This is look number 1, people. Look alive. We're doing this. Oh yeah, blend that on. And then we are going to go in with the shade Hippie, which is a beautiful orange shade. I'm using a very fluffy brush with Hippie, just so you know. It's super fluffy. It's so fluffy! Gotta have some fun. Next, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to be carving out the area that I'm going to put the shade Ultimate on my eye. I really like this blue and orange kind of combo. So we're just carving it out. I also like the LA Girl concealer with the little brush on the end for this. And just so you know, I do not set that concealer at all. I use the blue shade I'm going to put on there. It is the shade Ultimate. And we are just putting that right on that wet concealer, people. It holds it nicely, whereas I could have done like a glitter glue, but I like how opaque that this makes it, and it doesn't like make it crumbly. That sometimes I run into that when I use a glitter glue. Yep, just gotta make it perfect. This is definitely one of those things where you need to take your time. I really wanted to show how long it took to get this part done, so I did not speed through this one. I do hope that you guys like that. I did not speed through this eye. Next, we're going to do the other eye. This one I did make it go faster because you already saw the first eye. Then we're going to go ahead and put that same shade Ultimate right over there. Oh yeah. And you can also, I have done this look with glitter on top of it, and you can do glitter, but I just wanted to use the palette. I'm using the Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner to do my liner. I have been loving gel eyeliner ever since I got that in my BoxyCharm. Gel eyeliner is, I love it. I love it. Look at that wing. Look at that wing. I did that. I think anyone should be proud when they do their wings. Should be like, yep, that's my wing. That's how I feel. I don't know about you guys, but that is how I feel. That one went on so much better. Let's be real. And then I have to fix this one. I always get so nervous when I go to fix my winged eyeliner because I'm like, oh, this could turn out horribly. And I just don't care that that one's not even. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Colossal Volume Lash Express Mascara. And then I'm going to take the shade Ultimate and I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line. Looks so pretty. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Great Lash and use that on my lower lashes. Then I'm going to take the shade Spirit and I'm going to use that as an inner corner highlight. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild shade in Terrifying Tangerine. I went very orange with my lips. You guys don't have to do this. You could do a nude. You could do a light blue if you're feeling edgy, kind of like I was. But I was feeling the orange. And I don't know. I like orange lipstick. I don't know why. I feel good with orange lipstick. Well, there you have it. There is the finished look for day 1. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We're going to go on to the next day. Here we are for day 2. Let's see what we're going to do now. I don't know. The first shade here we're going to go into is Dippy. It is a very hot pink. We are going to use that as our transition shade / crease shade. You'll see what I mean here in a minute. Then we are going to go into Palooza. I take a flat shader brush to do this, and I am only going over the sides. I am not hitting the center of my eye. This was one of my favorite looks to create, by the way. Then we are going to go into Trance. Let me tell you something about the shade Trance. You need to wet your brush. It took me forever to figure this out while I was doing this look. I don't know what I was thinking, but you need to wet your brush. Just wet your brush, people. Trust me. Do you see all of that fallout on my face? Also, I don't recommend doing your eyeshadow with this specific setup. Oh, look, I wet the brush. And now it's working better. I don't recommend doing your foundation before your eyeshadow with this palette. I had so much fallout all over the place with certain colors. Going back in with Palooza, and I'm just working that on the side. I really want that blue to still kind of show up next to the more royal blue. Spray that brush. Now we're going to do the other eye. I really like how this turned out. I'm pretty happy with this look. Gotta work it, gotta work it. I'm in a good mood. So there I am, just putting it on my eyes, making sure it's where I want it and how I want it. Going back in with Palooza on the sides there. Gotta blend everything into each other. Working the top portion, blending all of that in. Next, we are going in with Neon. Yeah, or not Neon, Euphoria. It's not Neon, it's Euphoria. Now, I'm going to say that I should have wet my brush with this gold, and I did not. This was my error. You're going to see me try and build it up over and over again. Had I wet the brush, it would have been perfect. I don't know what I was thinking. So that is one thing I recommend is with the shimmer shades, wet the brush. Just do it. Don't even question it. Just go, oh yeah, I need to wet the brush. It'll save you some time. Going back in with Trance and just kind of blending everything in again. I kind of like that it looks like I have cat eyes on top of my eyes. I don't know if you guys see that, but that's what I see. Seriously, I should have just wet the brush. It's not that hard. It's not that difficult. It would have turned out way better. I'm just mad about that, okay? I'm just mad. Now I'm going in with that same Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner, and I'm just doing a line across my eyelid. Nothing fancy here. Then we're going to go in with that same mascara because I am determined to use that sucker up. Then we're taking the vintage Smoky Eye Pencil in black. Now we're going in with Trixie, and we're going to do an inner corner and a brow highlight. Then we're going to take the Great Lash Mascara, and I'm not going to show you me doing my lower lashes. Oh, there you go.
Get to see one side of the lower lashes. Then we're going to go in with the Covergirl Melting Pout Matte in Supermodel. Can I just tell you how much I hate this lipstick? I don't like it. It took forever to build up. That's why we sped through this, because like seriously, anytime I rub my lips together, I had to put more on. Well, there you are. Here is day 2. I do hope that you like this look. Look at me looking pretty. It is day 3 using the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. We are going to go right into it with Escape. Working that into my crease with a big fluffy brush. Then we're going to take Hippie. You guys tell I like this orange. And I'm running that right on top of Escape, because I want that orange to pop. Then we're going to go into Hipster. And we're running that directly into the crease and down to the sides and kind of blending it in with Escape. Then we're going to take Neon. I knew I used this shade. And I got smart and sprayed my brush, people. Made it happen. So we're just going to take that wherever there is space for it. I'm going to take it almost up into the crease a little bit. And then got to blend those sides. Got to blend, 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 blend. Then we're going back in with my favorite liner. I love this Pretty Vulgar liner. And by the way, I will have everything I used listed down below for you guys to see. I'm just doing a winged liner. I sped it up because I figured you guys didn't need to see it slowed down twice in the same video. Then I'm using that vintage black smoky eye pencil, going in with that same mascara I've been using the whole time. Then we're going to take the shade Escape, and I'm going to run that underneath my lower lash line. Going in with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And then I'm going to be using the Kokie Cosmetics Kissable Liquid Lipstick in Sublime. Thought this looked very nice with the look. Well, there you have it. There is day 3's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. It does really mean a lot to me that you guys stuck around until the end. Please give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more 3 looks 1 palette videos. I have a lot of palettes in my collection and I'm kind of feeling inspired to play with them. So if you guys would like to see a specific palette, leave it down below and I will get to working on those videos. Thank you guys again, and I do hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!